We're at Henderson Bird Preserve. There is a gate, there is a fence, so there are hours. I think it's 6 till 2. There's parking. Let's check it out.
And Ewing is U-E-W-I-N. E-W-I-N-G, like on Dallas.
Yeah, exactly.
Then you won't need a paper copy.
Oh yeah, huh?
So at the back there's a gazebo, and here is our first pond. Look at that.
In Vegas.
So there's a Frenchman, I believe, in the background. Frenchman Mountain. And here, a little bit stagnant on the edges, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And I guess we can walk around. So, oh crikey, look, it's a Canada goose. There's a rare breed of birdie. Oh, there's no one near you. It's trying to get me in trouble.
Look at all these birds being preserved.
I always thought it was preserving the water. I guess it's preserving the
water for the birds.
Sorry, the habitat.
The preserved water is preserving the birds. The bird is the word.
It's pond 9. It tells you. And here we can sit down and spy on the birdos. Well, there's a big bumblebee. Yeah, pond 12. Look.
It used to be bigger.
Yeah, that's the hypothesis from the local expert here. Hey, look, he's on one leg. Look. Yeah.
Oh, look at that too.
So pond 9 is called the Islands to the locals. So this one's called Pond de la Rosa because it's Spanish for lookout. And here you can see the Las Vegas Strip. This is where a lot of the natives would look out, and I wonder if they should go to Caesar's Palace for a lunch buffet.
Make sure you educate yourself from our channel.
You want to go off the beaten track?
Yep.
That's the beaten track. Then you can go this way. So that's Sam Boyd Stadium. Behind that, Mount Charleston. Little snow-capped. Coming into mid-April.
Bird preservatives.
Bird preserve. There's the ancient tombs of the natives that lived here before.
Henderson Bird Preserve.
Yeah. And yeah, very desert-like over here.
I don't know what trees get up to.
Water tree.
They're thirsty.
No, someone's packed and
Someone got robbed.
gobbled those up. Look. See if you can get this.
Look at the little tadpoles all around them too.
Look at them there.
Oh, it's huge. Oh.
Yeah, no, we got close. So boardwalk.
Or board run.
So a little lookout though.
Look at that bird.
So we're in the inner ring right now. So
Second story lookout.
Here's a pond 7 aerial view. Down here, dabblers. And up here, dabblers in action.
Tree. Pretty tree.
So yeah, that's it. I think going really slowly, if you wanted to explore every single path, 2 hours.
That's what I was going to say, a couple hours.
But if you want to just do a flick round, you know, a nice little steady walk, quick flick, 30 minutes to an hour. If you want to run, 15 minutes. So yeah, bird preserve.